Good morning. Journal entry for Sunday, December the 14th, 2014. And it's about 10:30 this morning. I've already had breakfast. I am up out of the bed today. I gave myself a rest day yesterday, so I feel good about giving myself the rest day. I feel much better right now. It's really rainy outside. I wish I could go outside and walk, but it's very cold, and I do not want to go outside and aggravate whatever I'm fighting. So just up, and I had my smoothie for breakfast, and I just want to make this day a good day. It's the only day I have. And I found this exercise video that I'm going to be doing. It's really a lot of fun, and it's older people, and I like exercising with older people, except for these older people put me to shame. One is 78, one is 75, and the other is 68. And oh my goodness, they really work out. I like to modify my exercises because of knee problems, and I'm going to continue to do that. But something is better than nothing, right? I know I've been like a Debbie Downer in some of my videos because I'm struggling with my eating, but I promised myself when I started doing these videos that I would be honest with myself, so when I look back over the videos, I could see the days that I'm struggling. I don't want to stop. I want to keep going no matter what type of day I have. I want to make sure that I start the day out with prayer, and then start out with a good breakfast, my exercising, and then try to keep that going through the day. So if I'm having a struggling day, I'm going to say I'm having a struggling day. Right now I'm having a great day, and I hope it continues through the day, and I hope your day continues to be a good one also. And if you're not having a good one so far, I hope it turns around. See you later. Bye.